to go. Let it snow, let it snow, let it snow.
All right, you guys, so let's get started on this look. I'll be honest, I actually wasn't sure about this look, but now I absolutely love it. But anyways, we're going to start off by priming the eyes, and I use the Anastasia eye primer. I do like that primer a lot. It is a really nice eye primer. But now we're going to go in with the Jaclyn Hill Morphe Brushes Vault Collection. I'm using the Bling Boss palette, and I'm just using that darker purple to build that into the crease. To be honest, these eyeshadows are not the best. They don't blend the best. The pigment is there. She got down the pigment on the matte shades, not so much on the shimmer shades, but the matte shades are good. However, they are a little bit difficult to blend at times. I don't know what it is. Anyways, it's fine. The look turned out fine, but I will say this. At this moment, I was kind of like, yeah, I don't know about this look. I really considered washing it off, because I just wasn't liking the direction of this look, but I'm glad I kept through it because it ended up working out. So I'm just taking the lightest pink in the Bling Boss palette and just using that to diffuse the edges with a big fluffy brush. And yeah, basically I just used the darkest purple, then I went in with that color Rockstar, I believe, to blend that out, and now I'm just using the lightest color to really blend it out. Okay, now we're going to cut the crease. So I just apply a little bit on the bottom of my lid, and then I look all the way up, and then depending on where it transfers, that is where I will take my crease color up to. That's a little tip if you have hooded eyes. It just prevents the eyeshadows from transferring onto your crease. So yeah, anyways, I'm just using the Anastasia primer, and then I'm going in with these Colouredraine Champagne Life eyeshadow. This is a really pretty color. I actually got this in my Ipsy bag, and I actually am really impressed with the pigmentation on this shadow. Makes me definitely want to go try some more Colouredraine shadows. I've heard that they're amazing. I just never really tried them out. But anyways, I'm just applying that all over the area where we applied the primer, and then I'm going in with the Rockstar color and just applying that kind of in the center of the eye. Basically just like adding a transition shade between the lid and the crease. And then I'm just going to go in and deepen up the look a little bit more with this little blending brush. This little blending brush, by the way, is by Japanesque. I actually got it at Walmart in a little set. But now I'm going to go in with the NYX pigment primer, and then I'm applying that all over the eye, and then I'm going to go in with MAC Reflex Gold glitter. I love this glitter. It's so beautiful. It's super fine, and it's not chunky at all. It's just a really pretty glittery pigment. And now I'm just applying a liquid liner, a wing, with the CoverGirl Get in Line matte liquid liner. Now I'm taking the ColourPop cream liner or creme liner, whatever you want to say, in Piggy Bank, I believe. It's just a really nice light purple. And then I'm just applying all the dark purple shades that we applied in the crease on the lower lash line. And yeah, basically just applying them in the same order I applied them on the eyes. And just being sure to blend that out. No one likes harsh lines, okay? So make sure you blend out even your lower lash line. And once I've done that, I'm going to go in with a little bit of an inner corner highlight. And I'm trying to remember what I use. I think I just used the Champagne Life eyeshadow, the one that we use on the lid. Yeah, I'm pretty sure. So I'm just applying that with a little pencil brush. And I then am going to, what am I going to move on to? I'm a little ahead of myself. Okay, we're going to move on to lips. So I'm just applying the Luna Lip Liner by Il Makiage. It is the collaboration with Carly Bible. I know I've used this liner a lot, but honestly, I love it so much. It's just the perfect brown. And if you know me, you know I love my dark brown lip liners. Now I'm just applying the Dose of Color Liquid Lip in Knock on Wood, and then See-Through Gloss by MAC. And that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. And I will see you in tomorrow's video for this series. Bye.